In this video, we're going to go over how to add additional arguments inside of your if statements. So if you watched the last video, you saw how you can nest if statements. However, especially for the case that we did, what we did essentially would be going against a lot of programming best practices, which is you're creating a lot of extra code and it's starting to get messy. And so what we're going to do is refactor this code and make it look a lot more professional and the way you really want it to be for a real live program. So one of the things that you can do in JavaScript and in most programming languages is be able to add multiple conditionals within an if statement. And so what I mean by that is instead of just checking to see if age is greater than or equal to 25, we can also check within here if the license also is equal to yes. And so the way you do that is you go a double and symbol, and then we're going to take this code, this license equals yes, and we're going to paste it in there. And then we're going to delete all of this and bring back alert and then just tab it to where it should be. And we're also going to get rid of, you can't get insurance without your license. And let's see. Okay, perfect. So you saw how much code we're able to get rid of right there. And we're going to add the license thing in a second for what happens when that's a no. And then else if age is greater than or equal to 18, we're going to do that same thing here. And then double and sign, license is equal to yes, and then we're going to be able to delete all of this empty space, and I'm going to get rid of this, and then we're going to X out of here. Okay, you can already see how much cleaner that looks, and we're going to add another else. We're going to add a couple of them. We're going to do else if license equals no. And once again, if you remember from the last video, this is not the way you'd program this side of it, because if I typed in nope or something similar to that, it would not catch it properly and you get the wrong response. But for the sake of this, I'm just showing you how to refactor this code so it looks better. And then we're going to add one more else statement, just our catch-all. And this catch-all is going to say, because they were, this essentially means they were under 18 years old, and you could change 18 to 16 or whatever it is, and we're just going to say you can't get insurance, period. Yeah, and this will also catch the ones where if they type something wrong, it will come up. Okay, you can see this looks a million times better than the last one did, and we actually are even checking for a final conditional. So this is much better code, and this is something you'd actually be able to use. So we're going to run it, and age is going to be 30 to start off with, and we have our license. And it says you qualify for insurance, and it'll be cheaper than if you were younger. So that's perfect. This time we're going to try our catch-all, and we're going to do what's your age, and we're going to do 14. Do you have a driver's license? Nope. You can't get insurance. Perfect. So you can see this works much better. So usually you're not going to be nesting if statements within other if statements. There are a few times where you may do it, but for the most part, what you'll be doing is putting in multiple conditionals inside the if statements. Now the other thing that we didn't mention but we'll use later on, this is a AND statement. The thing that we're going to go into in the next episode is the difference between using an AND statement or an OR statement within your if conditionals. So that's what we're going to be going to next.